We're going to show you some of the controls for your Creative Outlier Gold. First, let us take the earbuds out of the charging case. The earbuds will automatically pair with the mobile phone that you have previously set up with. So if your music player is turned on your mobile phone, you can start the music by pressing once on the right earbud. And if you want to skip forward to the next track, you press on the right earbud twice. Likewise, if you want to skip back to the previous track, you press on the left earbud twice. If you need to increase the volume, you press and hold the right earbud. To reduce the volume, press and hold the left earbud. So these are the controls for the music player using your Creative Outlier Gold. Let us stop the music. Next, for answering calls, you just need to press once to answer or to hang up. If you want to reject the call, you just need to press and hold the right earbud. And if you press the right earbud twice, it will activate the Siri or Google Assistant. So these are the controls for playing music and answering calls. These are the various states of the earbud LED. For blue and red, it is in initial pairing mode. With the blue flashing, it's ready to connect to previously paired device. If it's blue and slow flashing, it is connected. When it is red and flashing, it indicates low battery. When you see it red and slow flashing, it is charging. In this scenario, it is in the charging case. When you see nothing, no LED on the earbud, it is fully charged and in use. To do a master reset, first ensure that both earbuds are in the charging case. Then, press both earbuds at the same time for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that it turns blue before going back to charging state. The earbuds are now reset to factory defaults.